We're back, and it is cold as, yeah, cold, 35 degrees or so. Actually, it's not the temperature, it's the wind, man. The wind blowing hard. Ugh, frigid. It's porch time. Time to put the porch together. Time to build a porch. This one get covered up. Huh? Let me put this right here. Really tin in that side, but that's okay. I guess it works. Yeah, get that flush. So oh. Fun.
Oh, that's good right there.
Huh?
It's pretty good right there.
Is it?
Yeah, look.
What's your finger?
I could come a little bit.
Right there. Oh, right to me. You can feel it in
Hold on.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, you're on the wrong side.
I know.
Like I said. I love it. Perfect. say that's debatable? Well, I am your son, so to me. Back a little.
Yeah,
No, it won't be all right.
I want it my way. I want it my way.
Welcome back. It's been a few days, about a second for y'all. We've had some horribly cold weather, like below zero weather, uncharacteristic for this time of year for us. But we're back. All our rafters are set, as you can see here. Now we got to figure out our tail length, cut them off, put our subfascia on, and then hang our flying rafter out here, barge rafter, flying rafter, whatever you want to call it. Then we'll be ready to deck it. Oh, let it fit. I said, oh, let it fit. Oh, there you go. It's time to deck the roof. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt. Yeah, last week it was below zero. This week it's going to hit a high of 60 today. So crazy weather, man. Crazy weather. I'm gonna go burn lumber. So we are making progress slowly. I'm having to burn the 1x because I ain't got them all done yet. And Pop's cutting them, getting them staged. They're not nailed, they're just put up there. But you get an idea. Get you an idea what it's going to look like when it's done. Yeah, you see gaps. We'll tighten up the gaps, and then we also got black underlayment, so any seams that show, you won't be able to see through to the tin. Good piece of advice, like you're doing 1x wall inside a house, you always put like tar paper or something behind it, so if you do get cracks, you can't see nothing behind it but black. You do see a strap on here. Ah, the sun. It's really difficult to film this because the
porch angles I want to film at, the sun's coming the opposite direction, like right in. So it's terrible, terrible. Really hard to film this. You see a strap out here? We had a bow in our outer 2x4, a bar, we call barge rafter or flying rafter, whatever you want to call it. So I got a strap over here, runs across to our beam over here, and then I got an extra brace coming down, screwed to the floor. And that pulls it in and straightens it out. Then you screw it in, then you can pull the strap off when you get up to where the strap is. And then if you need to do any other parts up there, you can do the same thing again. Find something solid, pull against, straighten it out. So when you're out looking up the rake, you don't have a bunch of waves. You don't look like a snake going up through there. Gun got issues, man.
What's your joy spacing, center to center?
Joy spacing?
Less than 16. Isn't it?
No, it's 16 and a half.
Oh, well. Well,
Except for your two flying Raptors are.
yeah, I know. I'm just thinking about filler.
Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all can tell. Jump up and down. This thing is solid. It's so overkill. Oh man, I could have went 24 on center spacing, and we're like 16 and a half to get the spacing even. It was called for 13 and a half Rafters in the spacing, and yeah, we're not gonna have no odd one. I just look stupid. So we spaced it a little further apart. I could have went 24 on center, but yeah, we didn't. You know, why do less when you can do more? I don't know how well it's gonna record from up there. Man, I'm amazed at how solid this roof is. What?
Second story on. Build an observation deck.
Hey, that's a good idea. Observation deck. It's 50 degrees and I'm in a t-shirt. Feels hot. You get used to 10-degree weather and you're trying to work outside. It get you acclimated to the super cold. Ow! That was my bad finger. Is it quitting time yet?
Feels like lunchtime now.
Oh! Damn, I keep finding the seam. That hurt my finger. Dang, man, this thing ain't ever gonna heal.
Now, if you keep smashing it.
Ow, Daddy!
Suck it up.
So,
Suck it up, deal with it.
he told me to suck it up.
Ow!
Did Did you yourself?
Barely.
Barely. Guess what? The roof is decked. Our underlayment is down. We are waterproof. That's a good thing because it's going to pour like you know what tomorrow. Oh, by the way, the meteorologist, it's supposed to be bright and sunny today just like yesterday. Yeah, what a liar.
Oh, how cute.
Say hi.
Hi.
You were slightly less uncomfortable than usual. I love it. Well, y'all seen the top. Let's see what it looks like underneath. What all this hard work was for. If you made it this far, it is a miracle. But thanks anyways. If y'all would and you like, hit the thumbs up. Doesn't cost anything. Helps me out. Hit the subscribe. If you liked it, subscribe. I got a lot of other little odds and ends I'm going to start filming on. Bring you some different things. See what people like, what they don't like. So if you like something, let me know. If you don't like something, let me know. I'd love to make better videos, you know. So thanks again. Subscribe.